Good day, everyone. Today, we're learning about ternary ionics, specifically on how to write formulas for compounds with polyatomic ions. To write the formula for compounds with polyatomic ions, we'll use the periodic table and a list of common polyatomic ions. We'll follow some simple rules here to guide us. So, let's try one. We'll write the formula for potassium nitrate. For potassium nitrate, we know potassium is a metal, and then nitrate is a group of non-metals, a polyatomic ion. And we know that because it ends in 8 or ATE, we go to the periodic table, and for potassium, the symbol is K. We can also look at the charge. It's in group 1. So its charge is positive 1. For the nitrate, we're not going to find that on the periodic table. We need to go to the common ion table and look that up. We go to our common ion table and we can see that nitrate is NO3 negative. So we write NO3 negative and now we just need to balance the charges. Potassium has a positive 1 or plus 1 charge, and then nitrate, it has a minus 1 or negative 1 charge. Because the plus 1 and the negative 1 cancels out, that leaves us with the KNO3 as a formula for potassium nitrate. Let's try to do one that's a little bit different. Calcium phosphide. So pause and try to write the formula for calcium phosphide. For potassium phosphide or for calcium phosphide, we have our metal. That's the calcium. And then the phosphide, that's our polyatomic ion. And we know that it ends in ite or ITE. So when you see ite or ITE, you're thinking about polyatomic ion, right? We go to the periodic table now, and we can see that calcium has a symbol of Ca, or Ca, and it has a plus positive 2 charge. The phosphide, we look it up on the common ion table, that's PO3, 3 minus. Since we have an ionic compound, we need to balance the charges. But with the plus 2 or positive 2 and then the 3 minus or negative 3, here, both of those part of the polyatomic ion, that's a little bit challenging for us to balance it out. So we have a little trick called the crisscross method. We take the 3 here on the phosphide and move that down to the subscript for the calcium. Then we take this 2 and move it over here down as a subscript for this phosphide ion. We do need to put parentheses. Parentheses means it's plural around the phosphide to show that the 2 applies to this whole thing, not just only applicable to the oxygen. We get rid of our charges, and that's the formula for calcium phosphide. However, we should also check our work now. You remember calcium had a plus 2 charge or positive 2, and that phosphide, that was a 3 minus or negative 3. We have 3 calcium ions here and each one has positive 2. So 3 times positive 2, it will give us positive 6. And then we have 2 of these phosphide ions. So 2 times that negative 3, that will give us negative 6. And we know when both positive 6 and negative 6 combine, they will cancel out. So this is the correct formula for calcium phosphate. Let's try one more. This one's a little bit strange, so don't let it tricks you or confuse you. Pause and write the formula for ammonium carbonate. And I'll give you a hint. Ammonium is not on the periodic table. For ammonium carbonate, we have 2 polyatomic ions. So we look up ammonium on the common ion table, and that's NH4. And it has a positive charge. Carbonate, we know, is on the polyatomic table too because it ends in ATE or 8 and it's CO3 negative 2 or 2 minus. We have this positive 1 charge here and then we have the 2 minus here. We know that we're going to need 2 NH4 ions to cancel out the negative 2 here. So if we put a 2 here and then we need parentheses, that will give us 2 times positive 1, so that positive 2 or plus 2. So that plus 2 will now cancel out this 2, and that makes this the formula for ammonium carbonate. To make your life a lot easier, I recommend at the minimum memorizing these polyatomic ions. That way you can quickly name and not spend a lot of time going back and forth to the list of polyatomic ions. That's all for today. I hope you've learned something from me and see you in the next video.